Hey there, keto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We will share the 10 best keto snacks you can easily buy online. Whether you're new to the keto lifestyle or a seasoned pro, these snacks will surely satisfy your cravings while keeping you in ketosis. So, let's dive right in. Our first keto snack on the list is the perfect keto cookies. Perfect keto cookies are chewy, tasty, and immensely satisfying. Bring a pack to keep your keto diet as clean as possible. 2 cookies provide 3 to 4 grams of net carbohydrates, 15 to 19 grams of fat, and 5 to 7 grams of protein. These will become your new favorite with a solid macro balance. Up next, we have the delicious Perfect Keto Nola Bars. We are looking for a healthy snack to bring on your flight. We have a keto version of granola bars. They are entirely grain-free. Each Nola bar has just 1 to 3 grams net carbohydrates and comes in 4 flavors: maple pecan, dark chocolate macadamia, coconut chocolate chip, and peanut butter. Now, let's talk about the perfect keto cereal. This keto on-the-go breakfast is far superior to regular cereal. You eliminate harmful components like soy, corn, gluten, and added sweeteners when you use Perfect Keto. Our grain is crunchy and flavorful. It contains medium-chain triglycerides and skin-boosting collagen. Moving on, we have the Keto Cheese Bites. Keto's cheddar, pepper jack, and Gouda cheese pieces will satisfy everyone, especially your youngsters. Do you have a nut craving? Choose Keto Snack Mix, which contains almonds, pecans, and cashew nuts. Each pack includes 1 to 2 grams net carbohydrates per serving. Let's not forget about the Heike almond flour crackers. Skip the all-purpose and wheat flour biscuits and go for these instead. Heike uses almond flour, a nutritious keto-friendly substitute high in vitamin E, magnesium, copper, and phosphorus. Number 6. Epic Pork Rinds. Pork rinds are not just quick and easy keto snacks on the road, but they're also delicious. Unless you are allergic to pigs, these epic pork rinds have an excellent nutritional profile. These have no carbohydrates, no matter what flavor you choose. In addition, each meal contains up to 11 grams of protein. Number 7. Lily's Extra Dark Chocolate Bars. Pick chocolate with at least 70% cocoa to keep carbohydrates as low as possible. Fortunately, Lily's provides extremely dark bars with up to 92% cocoa for rigid individuals, even on vacation. These snacks include no added sugars. Lily's sweetens them with stevia. Now, let's introduce you to the Carnivore Beef Crisps. Maintaining a meat-based keto diet while traveling might be difficult. With Carnivore Crisps, it doesn't have to be this way. It comes in various beef cuts, including ribeye, top sirloin, liver, and brisket. All are low in carbohydrates, grass-fed, and high in protein. Up next, we have the irresistible Kiss My Keto Gummies. Kiss My Keto Gummies come in various flavors, including gummy bears, fish pals, tropical rings, and watermelon slices. Make these your new favorite road trip snack. They're high in fiber and low in calories, with only 2 grams net carbohydrates in each bag. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the Now Foods macadamia nuts. These fresh dry, roasted macadamia nuts are ideal for trekking and lengthy excursions. This snack is trendy among specific individuals because it contains precisely the proper amount of salt. Each 1/4 cup portion has only 2 grams net carbohydrates and 26 grams fat, keeping you satisfied for longer. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of keto snacks. We hope you found our recommendations helpful and inspiring. Now, if you're ready to take your keto snacking to the next level, we have something special for you. In the description below, you'll find a link to our carefully curated selection of the best keto snacks available for purchase. These snacks have been hand-picked based on their quality ingredients, great taste, and keto-friendly profiles. By clicking on the link, you'll gain access to a variety of delicious keto snacks. These snacks will not only keep you in ketosis but also satisfy your cravings in the most delightful way. We understand that finding the right keto snacks can be challenging, but we've done the research for you. Our selection ensures that you can enjoy guilt-free snacking without compromising your health or your goals. So why wait? Click the link in the description now and treat yourself to a fantastic array of keto snacks that will support your lifestyle and elevate your taste buds. Remember, the journey to a healthier you starts with making the right choices, and these keto snacks are the perfect addition to your pantry. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enjoy delicious, satisfying snacks while staying on track with your keto goals. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay keto, stay healthy, and happy snacking. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that link in the description to explore the world of mouthwatering keto snacks.